Is a given Hasse diagram a lattice? This is our Hasse diagram and lattice. So what is lattice? So basically lattice means if there exists greatest lower boundary and lower upper boundary boundaries, then it is considered lattice. So basically what is greatest lower boundary and lower upper boundary? So basically, first of all, we have to consider incomparable pairs and check whether they have greatest lower boundary and lowest upper boundary. What is incomparable pairs? Here, incomparable pairs are, for example, F and C, E and C, right? Or F and E, C and C, you know, where they basically are not like directly joined, you know. Here, for example, so basically greatest lower boundary means a lower, that means lower of them and where they match. Basically here you can see E and F, right? If you can see, their greatest lower boundary is B because they match in B, and their lowest upper boundary, here you can see E and F, it is G because E and F match in G in the upper boundary. Yeah, and here we can say I have written everything comparable pairs. First of all, F and E, there exists greatest lower boundary. We have already told that greatest lower boundary is this of F and E, and lowest upper boundary F and E is G, you know, they match in G in the upper boundary. And another one is, here you can see C and T. What is C and T? C and T, okay, they are also incomparable pairs, and in the greatest lower boundary they meet again in B, and in the lowest upper boundary, in the upper part, they meet in G, right? Yes, here we can see C, and another is E and Z. Okay, E and Z, they're also incomparable pairs, and greatest lower boundary of E and Z where they match, here we go, it is B, and lowest upper boundary, C, upper, oops, they match here, this is G. Okay, another thing, another pair is C and F. C and F, they are also incomparable pairs, and again greatest lower boundary of C and F, they match in B, and the lowest upper boundary, they match in G. Yeah, since for every incomparable pairs greatest lower boundary and lowest upper boundary exist, this Hasse diagram is a lattice.